nodded Nia.
Oh!
Nice and easy one today.
Is
Very
it?
defnyddiol iawn. Very useful.
You sure?
Yeah,
That's all right. That is easy.
I was thinking, I was thinking, it'd be nice, you know, like the days of Annwyl Nia seem to have gone by, don't they?
Writing letters?
Yeah.
Yeah, they do, actually.
So I'd like you to write me a letter cyn o'r hwb nesa yn Gymraeg, Matt. And you'd start a letter like this. Annwyl. Annwyl Nia.
Yeah. Dia.
Dia.
Dia'r niar.
Annwyl mam a dad, Annwyl nain, Annwyl tad ci, Annwyl bawb, iawn? Ar ddiwedd llythyr, neu ar ddiwedd neges e-bost at the end, you say, pob hwyl.
Pob hwyl.
Literally.
Goodbye.
Yeah.
But like a nice way of saying
all
goodbye.
The best.
All
yeah?
the best.
Every fun to you, iawn?
Pob hwyl. Every
goodbye.
fun to you. Pob
yeah,
hwyl.
Pob hwyl.
Pob hwyl.
Cofio'n cynnes?
Remember me?
Yeah, so warm wishes, literally.
Warm wishes.
Yeah, warm wishes. Llawer o gariad.
Lots of love.
Yeah. Oddi wrth. O gan.
Wrth gan.
Literally from.
Oh, yeah, wrth gan.
Oddi wrth
from
Nia, gan Nia.
Gan Nia.
Oh, I would always say
I get gan mixed up with can, with song sometimes,
can,
yeah.
That's got a... Gwranda ar y gwahaniaeth.
Gan.
Gan.
Gan. It's got a roof.
To bach.
Got a to bach.
It makes it long.
Yeah.
Gan.
Gan, like pale.
Yn union.
A pale.
A pale.
A pale.
Exactly. Or I always signed off. Sus.
Sus. Sus mawr.
Yeah. Sus fawr. Iawn?
Yeah. Iawn. Oh, is that it?
How do we say dia?
Dia. Annwyl. Annwyl.
Annwyl, da iawn. All the best.
Pob hwyl?
Yeah. Warm wishes.
Cofio'n cynnes.
Da iawn. And kisses?
Sus mawr. Sus. Llawer o gariad. No, kisses. Sus.
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 Sus fawr.
Sus fawr.
Da iawn.